So you want to send money from Paysafecard to PayPal, this is your tutorial. This video explores the process of transferring funds from Paysafecard to PayPal, giving you the flexibility to manage your money across different platforms. Whether you're looking to consolidate your funds or simply prefer using PayPal for online transactions, this guide will help you understand the steps involved. You will learn how to make the most of your Paysafecard balance by integrating it with your PayPal account, offering you great control and convenience in managing your finances. So as you know, you can send money directly from Paysafecard to PayPal. So I have a solution for you. It's very practical and it's using Wise as a bridge. So the first thing we have to do is to create a Wise account and verify it. In your case, not my case, you will see here that you will have different options like receive money and send money. I only have the send money option because in my country it's not activated, but don't worry, you will be easily guided with the syntaxes. You will be able to do it. So what do we have to do next? Well, we have to go to our Paysafecard application, and from Paysafecard we have to go to Wise Receive Money, and you have to select Paysafecard, and you have to do the transaction from Paysafecard to Wise. Okay, so once we have our money here in Wise, the next thing we have to do is to press send money. And when you press send money, you select the currency. I guess you will use USD, and you select how many you want to send, 78, as you can see. And here you will be able to select a PayPal. In my case, it's not here because I'm from another country that PayPal is not available on Wise, but in the United States, this is actually very common. So you transfer the money and you will receive it to the PayPal. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye and easy way.